how to hard reset your UeeVii wireless bridge. This is a CPE820. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is going to be troubleshooting, like if these are frozen or not responding, or even if the connection seems sluggish, things like that. This hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up someplace new or on a new system. You know, a lot of times people use this for security cameras and stuff like that. If you're setting this up on new cameras, you might want to do that reset so that we can go ahead and configure it like new. It's very easy to do with power to it. We're going to come in and you see this little tab here. This is going to release this cover here. So we're just going to go like this, pull this tab down, and then pull this cover off. Once we're in here, you're going to see that there is this button right here. Now this button right here is the reset button. You're just going to press and hold it for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it will cause this bridge to fully reset. Then we can go ahead and set it up again, and hopefully that'll fix whatever issue that you're having with it.